Goodyear Reveal conventional wiper blades are a quality addition to any vehicle. This brief video will take you step by step through their installation on vehicles with side lock wiper arms, both 1/4 inch and 3/16 of an inch. First, rotate the back of the adapter upward. Next, insert the wiper arm into the matching hole size on the wiper frame, which will either be 1/4 inch or 3/16 of an inch. Push the adapter down until it locks onto the inserted wiper arm's pin. But just to be certain you've installed the blade properly, give it a firm tug to make sure it's securely attached. Simply repeat these steps for the second blade and you're all set, ready to easily wipe away the elements with your new Goodyear Reveal wiper blades. Goodyear Reveal wiper blades, performance you can trust.